Okay, question number 11. Two cars leave the same place at the same time. One going north, one going south. The northbound car is averaging 55 miles per hour, and the southbound car is averaging 65 miles per hour. In how many hours will they be 420 miles apart? So I want my total distance They both travel the same time. Total distance is 420 miles. So let's call this car A and this car B. The distance of car A plus the distance of car B equals 420 miles. What's the distance that car A travels? I don't know, unless I know it's rate. Got to go back to distance equals rate times time. Okay, so they're both going. I'm actually looking for T. I need to find T. Notice how they start at the same place. They go opposite directions. That's why I'm adding. And they do go different speeds, so that means they travel different distances, but the total distance is 420. The distance that A travels is rate times time. So 55 times T. The distance that B travels in the same amount of time, that's important to note, these times are the same, is 65 T. And their total distance is 420. All we need to do is solve this. 55T plus 65T is 120T equals 420. Solve for T, divide by 120, divide by 120. We end up with T equals 3.5 hours. Before we kind of finalize that, let's check it. In 3.5 hours, how far does A travel? 55 times 3.5. And distance B for B is 65 miles per hour times 3.5 hours. And believe it or not, I didn't do this, so I need to do it just longhand. 3.5 times 55. One decimal. He goes 192.5 and 3.5 times 65. I already got the first one. 335 times 5 is 175. And the second car goes 227.5. Add them up. Okay, that's right. 420 miles total. Question number 12. Find the measure of each angle. Okay, we've got a triangle. These two are x, and this angle is 3x minus 20. The relationship among three angles in a triangle is that the sum of the angles is 180 degrees, which means x plus, that's the first two angles, 3x minus 20. We'll do it this way. First angle plus the second angle plus the third angle equals 180. These are all degrees. It'll add up to 2 degrees. Let's combine like terms. First, remove the parentheses. Combine like terms. 3, 4, 5 x's minus 20 equals 180. Solve for this. Add 20 to both sides. 5x, these guys drop out, equals 200. Oops, sorry about that. Divide by 5, which means x equals 40. I'm not done. I'm not done. I need to find the measure of each angle. So this one, x is 40. This one's 40. This one's 40. And this one is 3 times 40 minus 20, which is 120 minus 20, which is 100 degrees. So we need to finalize this by saying the three angles, are 40 degrees, 40 degrees, and 100 degrees. And that's how you do question number 12. And earlier we just did question number 11.